Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD draft tools, how to use Fillet. You can go to 2D draft, and as example I will create the objects with the line tools. And the next I will create with the polyline. And the last we create with these rectangle tools. Now, to fillet this object, you can select the fillet tools, click these icons, and I will check for delete original objects. Now you can set for the fillet radius in here, and first you need to select the object. I will select these two wire objects, and you can change like into 2 and press enter. It will be fillet with radius 2. Okay, the next I will fillet in this polyline objects. You can select against the fillet tools and then select these two objects. Now I will change like radius into 5, and if you press enter, it will be show for the notification you need to set into 2 objects to fillet. So in this case, we can downgrade this object. You can select the wire objects and click these icons to downgrade, and then click again to set into the edge. So it will be downgrade into edge. Now you can select the 2 objects, use the fillet tools, and then I will set for the radius into 5, press enter to create fillet. You also can fillet in this rectangle object. We need to downgrade again. You can click these icons to downgrade, and then click again to set into the edge. Now you can select the 2 edge, click on the fillet tools, check for the original objects, and then set radius like into 6, click enter, and fillet with radius 6. With this fillet tools, you also can create for the chamfer. Okay, you can select this lines and then click again this fillet tools, check for chamfer, create chamfer, delete original objects, and then set radius into 5, press enter to create chamfer. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD draft tools, how to use fillet. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.